Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy egg frittata in the oven. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 8 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and any fillings you love, like chopped vegetables or cooked meats. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your frittata cooks perfectly. Finally, lightly grease an 8-inch oven-safe skillet to prevent any sticking. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Now, let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk together your 8 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until everything is well combined and slightly frothy. If you're using fillings, quickly sauté them in your greased skillet for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're tender. Then, pour the egg mixture directly over your sautéed fillings in the skillet. Transfer the skillet to your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Knowing when your frittata is perfectly cooked is key. Look for edges that are set and a center that appears firm, not jiggly. You can also test for doneness by inserting a small knife near the center. If it comes out clean, your frittata is ready. Once out of the oven, let it cool for about 5 minutes. This brief resting period allows it to set completely, making it easier to slice and serve beautifully. Enjoy your delicious creation. Here are a few pro tips for an even better frittata. For a beautiful golden brown top and extra flavor, sprinkle some shredded cheese over your frittata during the last 5 minutes of baking. Don't be afraid to experiment with a variety of fresh vegetables and herbs to enhance both the taste and nutritional value. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.